Does DiDi Job really give you the freedom to earn when and where you want to, as it claims on the website, or is it a scam to stay away from? My name is Michael from paidfromservice.com, and I have tested DiDi Job myself, and let me just reveal right away, I was a bit surprised about what I found, and you definitely need to know exactly what to expect before you start investing your time here. And in this DiDi Job review, I will give you a full guided tour so you can see exactly what to expect and find out if you should join or not. I have now logged into DiDi Job, and let's start by going over who can join. And you can join no matter the country you're in, and you can also find ways to earn here no matter the country you live in. And it also has some different currencies you can see up here. You can choose from these, but if you do not live in one of these specific countries, you can just choose the US dollars, and that is the currency you will then see the rewards you can get for the different tasks. But that is actually not the most important thing to know about DiDi Job. What you really need to know is how you can earn here, because it is a little bit unusual compared to many other get paid to sites. So let's go over how you can earn and if it will be worth your time. So when you log in, you get to the dashboard and you can see the social media tasks or some short videos. Right now, there are no short videos for me, but here the social tasks are where you have to do certain things on social media, and it can seem very appealing, that a great way to earn. But let me just show you a little bit more about what you actually need to do. So you can see the different options here, and you can see over here how much you would get, and over here you can see the levels that the tasks are available for, and I will go more into that just in a minute here. But as you can see, you start as a level 0 here, and for that task here I would actually get nothing. And then here there are some other ones. If I just move myself out of the way here, you can see there are a couple of others. I would get 13 cents for these here. So let me just try to click on one of the tasks so you can see what you would have to do. And then you would get a text and an image, and you would need to post this exactly as it says here on your social media platforms. And this is basically just an ad for DiDi Job that you get paid to post there, and it then makes all these claims about that you can earn by doing all kind of tasks there. And basically all the tasks I have been able to find in here are just promotional tasks where you have to post to get other people to join DiDi Job. So your job is basically just to post ads on social media, on your personal social media, to get more people to join DiDi Job. And some of the claims I've seen in some of these ads that you have to post are just quite exaggerated in my opinion. For example, here there is an ad where it says you'll get $5,000 per month, a simple task with real rewards if you believe anything is possible. This is just exaggerated, as I'll show you in a minute here. Earning $5,000 per month on DiDi Job, that's just highly unlikely. And even if it might be possible, you need to know how you will actually earn it, because it is just by promoting DiDi Job itself with ads like this. And personally, I would never post an image like this with a claim that somebody could earn $5,000 on a site like this, because that is just highly unlikely on DiDi Job. And it also offers tasks that I would never recommend, because it is just kind of like self-promotion. As you can see, all the tasks are just about promoting DiDi Job. But that is not all you need to know. You also need to know more about this membership level system, because that will give you more insight into what the platform really offers. DiDi Job also has a section where you can get paid to invite friends, or actually they are not completely clear about that. They say that you can invite people. As many other sites, they have a referral program where you get a link and you can invite other people. However, they are not transparent about what you would actually get for inviting other people. They just again have some information here where they highly encourage you to invite other people to increase your earnings, but they do not explain exactly what you will earn. And personally, I really dislike when there's no transparency like that. Of course, they need to tell you exactly what you will earn by inviting other people. So let's now go over the membership levels, because this is very important to understand, because you start at VIP 0, meaning a free membership there. And as I also showed you, you can basically not earn anything or very little, and there are very few tasks that you can earn when you just have that membership level. And then you need to upgrade to get access to the higher paying jobs. But as you can see, the membership levels are quite expensive. You can pay up all the way to here $268.99 for membership level 3 here. And the prices for that vary a little bit. They have jumped a little bit up and down during the time that I have seen it, but overall this is a very expensive membership, and this is of course how DiDi Job makes its money. And it can of course seem appealing that you can then maybe earn $5 per task where you just have to post on social media, but just think about what you're actually doing. You are getting $5, but you had paid maybe almost $300. You have to do quite a few posts like that, and you then have to post things that promise people that they can earn $5,000 or something like that on this platform. But as you can probably already figure out now, that is really not likely and not a claim that I would ever post on my social media. So you're basically just going out trying to convince other people to join DiDi Job and that they can potentially make a full-time income, and then they come in here, and to have a chance to really earn anything, they need to pay for an expensive membership. And then just to make that back will take quite a lot of time and effort, and the only way to do that is by making the same exaggerated claims to get other people to join. And what you also need to be aware of is, what you're not really told is that the free membership is only valid for 6 days. If you do not join after those 6 days, you will lose the earnings that you made with the free membership. And let's then talk a little bit more about the payout methods, because this becomes even more confusing, because you can see that you will earn US dollars, but you then have to change them into this USDT wallet, which is cryptocurrencies, and then they have this trading platform, and when you have then gotten the USDT, then you can take them out to your wallet there. And over here on the side, they have a little help section where you can read more about how to use this OTC market. But again, there is not a lot of information here. Yeah, this one is fairly thorough, but the whole payout processing also and what you can earn is just confusing. The whole website is confusing. In my opinion, it almost seems like it is meant to confuse you. So you come in there and you think that you can make a lot of money, so you invest this money and then you start promoting them, and they get more members that will pay and they get more money, and most members will just stay confused and keep promoting it, hoping that they will earn back their money by promoting it. And in the meantime, DiDi Job will keep earning because there are more and more members coming in that keeps buying an expensive membership, hoping that they will be able to join these $5,000 that some of the ads claim they can earn. So the whole payout system is just overly complicated and confusing. And whenever you find a site that has a payout system that is this confusing, it definitely raises a red flag in my opinion, because it should be very simple, very straightforward, and they should have a lot of information that makes it easy for you to get your earnings. And this is definitely something you need to consider before joining. As you probably figured out from watching this review, I am not a fan of DiDi Job. I do not think it is a good way to earn online, and I do not like the type of tasks that you have there, because all you can do is basically to promote DiDi Job, and many of the ads you have to post are exaggerated and claim, for example, that people can earn $5,000 easily per month. And if that's your expectations, you will definitely get disappointed, and you will have to invest quite a lot in an expensive membership to get the chance to just earn a little bit. On top of that, the whole payment processing and how you can take your earnings out is just overly complicated, and that is not how it should be on a get paid to site. In my opinion, you should just be able to easily join and know exactly how you can get your earnings out. Also, DiDi Job is full of errors. You can see, for example, up here how they spelled about us. Many sentences sound strange when they try to explain what you need to do on the site there, and that is also something that seems a little bit strange. Personally, I will not be using DiDi Job anymore after having tested this, and it is definitely also not a site I will recommend. And if you decide to join anyways, then start small. Do not jump in and invest in one of the expensive memberships right away, because you can really end up losing money if you do not know exactly what you're doing. And also think about what you're posting on your own social media. Is this really something that you want to promote there? Is this something that you want to get your friends involved in or not? So just think about that before getting involved here. And if you want to know even more details about DiDi Job, or if you want to see a list of some of my preferred get paid to sites that have very easy ways to earn and that do not have a complicated payout system where you can easily get your earnings out in cash or gift cards, whatever you prefer, then I have all that information on my website, paidfromservice.com, and I will leave a link below this video here, so make sure to check that out. And if this video has helped you, then also remember to hit the like button And also subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about how to get the most out of get paid to sites, paid service sites, and other free ways to earn some extra cash on the site online.